I'm back. Let's fix my little curly cutie. So this is the line that I'm getting. And then I picked up this little guy. So this older gentleman came by again, and he saw I moved my tent to the shelf, but he said that there's an even better spot over there. And he said if I don't want to bring all my crap over there, I can just go use one of his tents. So I might do that if like this hour is pretty bad. But he says that he gets a lot of fish, so... This feels so much different. This is crazy. This is real fishing. I don't think I was fishing before. This is wow. This feels nice.